Alright, now here I have got this fantastic device, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is the Exynos variant, and this guy recently got One UI 5.0 update, and it got all the new features which arrived on the S22 Ultra. Samsung did not omit anything on this device. Kudos to them for doing that. Now this phone is known for a mediocre battery performance. The reason being, this is a WQHD device with 120Hz refresh rate with this huge screen real estate, and yet it just packs about 4500 mAh battery, which is not good enough for a power hungry phone like this, right? Now we all know that the battery life has not been that great on this device. Now the question is, how is this phone performing after getting the One UI 5.0 update? This is the question you guys have been asking, and you did share your screen on time as well in some of my previous videos. So I wanted to do a real life battery test on this device and share the screen on time with you guys and share my experience. Now I tested this device on one particular settings, that was on full HD display with power saving mode turned off, of course. The 120Hz refresh rate was turned on, the AOD was turned off, the processing speed was set to optimized, and the phone was on a dark mode. Now with these settings, I use this phone as a moderate user, and this is the screen on time that I have got. As you can see, the phone was used only for 8 hours 30 minutes before it died. The screen on time I got was 3 hours 24 minutes, which is a matter of concern here. Now, the screen off time was about 5 hours 5 minutes. As you can see the usage pattern, the YouTube was used for about an hour, Prime Video for just about 36 minutes, camera was about 11 minutes, Call of Duty was played for just about 24 minutes, WhatsApp 15 minutes, battery usage during calls is about 1.2%. I have used the phone for calling for about an hour or so, perhaps less than an hour of calling. Then One UI Home, YouTube Studio, and few other applications. With this kind of a moderate, not even moderate, I would say this kind of a minimal usage, this phone was able to deliver just about 3 hours 24 minutes of screen on time, and this is after getting One UI 5.0. Now if I have to compare the screen on time with the previous version of One UI, that's with One UI 4.1, I was getting close to about 4 hours or 4.5 hours of screen on time with the same settings, which was of course a little better. But now after updating it to One UI 5.0, I feel that this update screwed up the battery performance on this device. Now if we use this phone with power saving mode turned on, it would probably get me about half an hour extra screen on time, but who would like to use this beast on a power saving mode, right? That's something which I rarely do unless the battery drops to maybe 10 or 20%. I don't use it on power saving mode. Now this kind of performance after a major Android upgrade is something which we don't really appreciate. I feel Samsung should work on it and improve the battery performance, at least in the next security patch that we are going to get for this device. I really hope they do that. We don't even mind getting the same battery life after the major upgrades, but getting a poor performance after the update is something which we don't really appreciate. You let me know, what do you think about this? If you own a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, let me know the battery performance that you're getting. Let me know the screen on time in the comment section, and while you comment, do let me know which variant of the device you're using. Is it a Snapdragon or an Exynos variant? And share the screen on time that you're getting. This would definitely help the community to understand whether their phone is performing fine or not. Now just to inform you guys, I did not reset this phone after the upgrade, so I'm using the way it was before. If I reset the phone, maybe I would get a slightly better battery life, but still not everyone would prefer resetting the phone after the upgrade, and we expect at least the same battery performance which was there before, if not a better performance, right? So that's what I feel. What do you think? You let me know, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and tap on the like button if you find this video informational. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan, signing off. Cheers, bye bye.